Now let us discuss some few points about book copyright registration. Book can be protected through literary work under the Copyright Act. Copyright can be done for both disclosed and undisclosed intellectual work. In the case of a literary work, the exclusive right is to reproduce the work, to issue copies of the work to the public, to perform the work in public, and to communicate the work to the public. Copywriting of the book is very important for the author to protect the copying by others. The work which is published before the Copyright Act 1957 can also be registered under the Copyright Act. 3 copies of disclosed work may be sent along with the application. If the work to be registered is undisclosed, a copy of the document has to be sent along with the application to prove that the created work has been registered and protected. If 2 copies of the document are sent, where one copy will be returned with a stamp while the other will be retained in the Copyright Office for witness, it will be kept a secret and it will not be disclosed. The applicant may send the extract from the undisclosed work instead of sending the whole document to the Copyright Office for the registration. The work should contain creativity. If we want to prepare gravy, the list of ingredients included in the gravy cannot be copyrighted. The detailed expression of preparing the method of gravy can be copyrighted. It is mainly about the instructions and guidelines given to prepare the dish which is copyrighted and not the product of gravy. So copyright can be obtained for the information given for the process of gravy specified in the booklet. In case of book, story can be similar, but the way it is expressed, words used which makes novelty of the book from others which exist. The written story shall be protected in fixed form in the form of paper or hard drive, but the production is not secured by the fixed form if the infringement occurs by third party. So the created book shall be registered in the Copyright Office. The copyright can be legally protected by filing the Copyright Form 4. It includes a SOP and SOFP. SOP is nothing but statement of particulars and SOFP means statement of further particulars. Each single copyright application shall consist of single creative work. If it contains more than one work, then the separate copyright application shall be submitted at the Copyright Office, New Delhi. It shall be clearly stated that the created work is an original work or a translation of a work in the public domain or copyright subsist. If not, then it should not be noted that the created work is an application of a work in the public domain. Each copyright application shall be submitted along with a prescribed fee. The fees can be paid by postal order or demand draft payable to Register of Copyrights, New Delhi. The copyright applications shall be signed by the applicant or by an advocate. If the application is signed by an advocate, then the proof of power of attorney signed by the applicant shall be submitted along with the copyright application form. The copyrighted work should contain the word copyright or its abbreviation COPR, including date and author's name. The symbol copyright C may also be used, but it does not substitute the word or the abbreviation. The International Standard Book Number ISBN for books can be obtained from the Raja Raman Mohan Rai National Agency for ISBN, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Secondary Education and Higher Education, and New Delhi. To obtain an ISBN, publishers have to fill up an application form which is available on net www.education.nic.in/isbn/isbnbrief.asp, or can be collected personally or by post or by sending a request to the agency at the above said address. Nowadays, all the intellectual works are stealed or copied with one single click, where all the contents are transferred to the third party and to everyone. So, protection through copyright plays a vital role in today's life. Thank you.